Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin, take a look at crypto.com CROCOIN, because I'm seeing some very interesting things in the charts. So, without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop into this video. So, guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $68,299, down about 1% on the day. Bitcoin dominance trading at 52.06%. When you exclude stablecoins, it's more so like 54%. But all in all here, guys, sideways chop over the weekend. We did come all the way up to $70,000. Once again, we tested the previous all-time high just this morning, actually, today. But we couldn't hold it. Imagine that. Third time, we came up to the upside and got flushed out. Flushed those longs out. It's as simple as that. It's just a reoccurring thing. Hopefully, soon enough, we can actually break through that wall after all the longs get liquidated. But I am seeing some interesting things. We are starting to coil up here, and this is kind of forming a rising wedge, which is, unfortunately, a bearish pattern. But that being said, do I think we're going to break down to the downside significantly on the daily time frame? Probably not. Probably not. But I do think that we have been talking about this green box. It could take a few days, guys. It could take up to 24 days of sideways price action, testing this high, coming down, testing the high, coming down, and just flushing out that leverage. Right now, guys, these exchanges are making so much money. So much money. People are greedy, layering into huge over-leveraged long positions right now, and they're getting liquidated. And that money goes straight to the exchanges, guys. It's happening very, very quickly. It's happening fast. Just liquidation events, back and forth. And it's clearing these. It's basically just lining the pockets of these exchanges. It's quite incredible. So I do expect that there could be a little bit more of this, guys. Sideways price action, testing the high and coming down. We saw this play out in the previous cycle. It took, back here, it may not look like much, but it took about 24 days to fully break above the previous cycle high at about 20,000. We could see something like that play out very similarly right now. But I do also want to talk about, I said, do I think that we're going to come down? I don't really think we're going to come down. A week or so ago, a few days ago, I was a little bit worried. But I'm seeing more and more people talking about tops, and the crypto fear and greed index is coming down a little bit. We still are at 82, but a few days ago we were at about 92. And I made a post on Instagram and said, I can't look at it, I guess. But I said, a few days ago we were at 92. And we can sit at 92 for the entire bull market, guys. In the previous cycle, we were sitting at a very, very high greed level for the majority of this move to the upside, which was many months, guys. From October 20th to about April 21st, almost a year. We were in the high 80s to 90 on the greed index. It's okay. It's okay that we're sitting at such a high greed level. Just because we're at high greed doesn't mean we need to come down and flush out the leverage. It's an indication that maybe we should, but we don't have to, especially if we're in that part of the market where we need to just be making these moves to the upside. And I want to point out also, guys, right now we are testing highs. And like I said, a week or so ago when we were testing highs, there was a lot of euphoria. And it was worrying me a little bit. I was saying, yeah, we should probably going to top out here, maybe make a little local top, trade sideways into the halving, or maybe the halving's a sell a news event. But right now, that euphoria is basically gone. I'm not seeing it nearly as much, which is pretty incredible. There's going to be a lot of strange price action up here at the top, and that's exactly what we're seeing. I say the top, but the previous highs, I should say, trying to break above previous all-time highs. There's going to be a lot of strange price action with huge wicks to the upside, liquidate the shorts, huge wicks to the downside, liquidate the longs, and very, very fast moves. But guys, the euphoria is starting to wane, which is very, very good. It's very, very good. that, in my opinion, says that we probably have more room to the upside here leading to the halving. I think an appropriate thesis that I've been leaning into lately is that we're probably going to be making a move to the upside into the halving with a quick sell the news event, trade sideways before we can resume off. But I think that a correction around the halving is an appropriate thing to be talking about. But until then, we're still about 6 weeks away. These ETFs are still buying way more Bitcoin than the miners are producing. Higher for longer. That's my opinion. Higher for longer. I do want to take a quick look at CROCOIN because CROCOIN, man oh man, we got some big wicks last night, guys. Big wicks. It's just a shame we couldn't hold them up. But that's just how it goes right now. Like I said, there's going to be many strange price moves until we can break above this high and build some foundation above that $70,000 price level. But all in all here, guys, the faster we see CROCOIN go up, in my opinion, means the more retail is here, which means the closer we are to a big move to the downside. And a kind of a signal that we are in the bull market, the mania phase. I don't think we're there quite yet. Like I said, the euphoria is dying down. Mainstream media is not losing their mind just yet. I mean, they definitely are talking about crypto a decent amount, but we aren't seeing insane mania right now. We're not seeing it just yet. There's a little bit of euphoria, but guys, we're breaking previous highs, and I would like to see more. I would like to see way more for me to be able to say, okay, maybe we need to look into taking a big amount off the table. I have been taking some profits on the way up, but I'm still in this. I'm still in this game, especially when it comes to CROCOIN. CROCOIN will probably be one of the last things I exit because it probably won't make a large move to the upside until we're in that mass mania phase. It may take some time. Maybe towards the end of the cycle. Maybe probably after the halving, and probably after Bitcoin makes a move towards maybe 100,000, 120,000. But I do have a price target of about $1 when that happens. When we get to that pure mania phase, you're going to see CROCOIN do some very explosive moves. I've been talking about this on the channel for many months, maybe even over a year, that CROCOIN will trade sideways, make everyone lose hope in it. Then towards the end of the cycle, after everybody's saying, wow, I lost so much money, I'm seeing all these coins going up, and CROCOIN's not doing anything. Right when you start to think that, and we're getting towards the end of the cycle, wham, just huge moves to the upside. That's probably how it's going to play out because Crypto.com, it's for the retail. It's for the people that aren't crypto natives, that are not constantly involved in the crypto space, that aren't in the echo chambers of crypto. You guys need to be patient. But I do want to say that if you can follow my Instagram at 333Blacksea, if I can get to 100 followers in 24 hours from this video, I will give away $100 of CROCOIN to one of my followers. I only have 22 followers. There's good odds there, guys. I'm going to do more and more of these giveaways, so follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, check out some awesome referral links we have down below. $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex. All you got to do is click the link below this video, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.